So you
Okay.
go organize and then you go treasures and then
Oh,
sell.
organize treasures. Yep. What? Do I sell it?
Yeah, treasures. You just sell treasures, baby.
And then what do I do? Then how do I upgrade stuff?
You go to a
Oh,
weapon and
well,
then
what
you
should I do
sell
there?
the
Oh,
shotgun.
I guess the shotgun. Yeah, shotgun. Yeah, for sure. 5 hour. Alrighty. Okay, cool. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I spent all my money just then. Fuck it. Let's go.
Hang on.
They click on ready.
I'm just taking grenades just in case.
Yep, let's go gamer.
Wow,
Wow.
dude, your inventory is full. Holy crap.
Oh no, yeah, no. Together.
Put the Uzi ammo away because you haven't got Uzi yet,
Oh yeah, gotcha.
and take away one of those. I reckon take away the 7 ammo, like the 7 pistol ammo shots. And yeah, I reckon that's good. Yeah.
Oh, let's go gamer. Cool job. Let's see how much we can done. Chapter 2.1.
Yeah. Sick.
Oh, I got the SMG now.
Oh, I gave it straight away after you got rid of the ammo. It's alright.
I know, yeah.
Yeah,
Bruh.
you take it though, because I've already got it on my unlocked.
Alright. Yeah, I think that's it, yeah. Which way do we go?
Hang on, there's a thing over here.
Michael Hamel. Let's go gamer. What's over here?
Hope he's still on the ammo.
What's up? What
Hope
is
he's
it?
still on the ammo.
It's okay. Just yeah, that's good.
Hurry! Come on! Come on!
Oh,
Hurry! Sheva! Hurry! Come on! Come on! Sheva!
shut the fuck up, dude. Goddamn, dude. Fucking, just fucking annoying as fuck, dude.
They nerfed it in RE6.
Oh, dude. I'm fucking glad, dude. Fucking gets annoying. Oh, there's like traps here.
Wait, don't shoot it. Make
Yeah,
them walk into them.
Yeah. They got like come what? Oh, they got fucking crossbows. God damn, they're going like full on medieval on our asses.
Yeah.
Incredible shit.
I'll have to get rid of it then. Hang on.
Yeah, no, yeah. They're not moving.
That one's still alive, bug got away. He's still alive. I got him.
Bang. Laps.
Oh, he's still alive behind us. What the fuck? How many shots do you need in the head?
Bang.
There we go.
Oh shit, it's out. Oh, it was like right here. Get the fuck out of me.
So,
But I.
melee pistol ammo. Hey, fuck you.
Ooh, her says. Oh, you want it? Yeah, no, I'll pull. Take it. Take it. Take the
Spray
heartbeat.
here.
Yeah, but take it because it's
You need pistol ammo. You got 69 spare ammo. Nice.
money here.
Alright.
What else do we do with this? Which way do we have to go? Are we on the right way or no? I think we have to go this way though. The other way. I'm pretty sure. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh fucking Douglas.
Get back, hang on. Get back.
Oh, dude, that actually pretty. They're much tougher than the ones in the one in oh shit.
I sure may still hit you. What the fuck?
Oh, they're fucking tough, dude. That's actually pretty tough.
Like the monkeys in Zero.
Yeah.
Also, you should upgrade your. I reckon you should upgrade your pistol capacity of firepower a little bit because it's a better
You know.
weapon.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, no, yeah, because I put all my
behind you.
money into the fucking into the shoddy.
Yeah. Upgrade shotgun power is good for like you want to save shotgun for more annoying enemies, as well as like bosses.
Where do we go? Yeah, this way.
Careful, there's more dudes upstairs. I think.
like, you know, like you've got the fucking tight corners, and they're just like, what up, bitch? You don't see them coming at all.
Yeah.
Jump down.
Oh wow, hey, careful. Molotovs.
Oh, bro, I thought there was a guy like standing. Oh, you guys are pretty tough.
Yeah. Combo.
Oh, fuck me.
You can combo a big guy if you get close to him.
Oh, see, holy shit, see, alive, dude. Holy fuck, this guy. Oh, what the fuck, bro? He's like, still actually like kicking. Fucking. Oh wait, what? Are you serious? Okay, there you go. Oh, dude, he took so many fucking shots.
I was trying to turn around and hit for Xavier, and then like I do.
Okay, you wanna heal?
so I
Together?
got stunned.
Heal?
Come on!
Bruh, have to carry your ass.
Let me try to reach him. Right on. Get all that baby. All on here.
Shove her! Come on! Hurry! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Let's go, baby.
Alright.
Lucia. Ooh.
Oh, let me grab the hang on, I've got a.
Yeah, I'm full down, full on.
I've got a green so I can combine.
This seems like a what's on here? The bridge, yeah. You know, a lot of like, you know, a lot of like
Stuff
special.
that with this.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Easy, baby.
There's a lot of archers here, careful.
Dang, the guy's got a fucking spear, goddamn, dude.
Damn, it's like a clown car in there. Shotgun ammo, you can take that one. Just give me some pistol ammo when it drops next.
Headshot. Oh shit, the
Wow.
the guy, yeah.
He just tracks you like Dark Souls style.
Doesn't give a fuck, dude. Like I always keep thinking that whenever like the head pops, like they're going to you know, like a head racer, like a Resident Evil 4 comes out.
Yeah, what happened to like the whip heads? That's what happens here as well, though.
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't shotgun ammo. Let's see.
Cool.
Alright. Give me an extra shot ammo, homie.
What's up?
You got more. Give me the next last shot extra ammo.
Oh yeah.
You don't have much ammo.
You can take it.
Because if you run an item tab, you can check how much ammo both teams have.
Yeah, I can see. So I've got 12. You got 6.
And you got one extra shot in your gun as well.
Cool. No, that's okay. I got full gamers.
Hang on.
Oh, is that a?
Yeah. It was like being. It wasn't showing laser dot properly for me, so I couldn't see the tip of it.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, this thing is actually a more a lot bigger, like a more threatening than the ones from the first game. I think because they're like,
Yours?
yeah, I think they're like a different breed as well. Like they're not like the small like Doberman. They're like big ones. These ones.
Yeah. Alright.
It's a fucking rat, bro. It's a fucking rat. Bro, it's a fucking
Ratatouille.
rat. I don't know the fucking Ratatouille looking ass. Can I kill it?
Fucking.
Bro, I
stop
killed
making
one.
me stupid.
I killed the rat, bro. The rat.
Yeah, that one's yours. Yep.
Hurry!
Oops, hang on. Sorry.
Oh, there's one more here.
Over
Yeah.
here. There's one over there. More money.
Cool gamer.
Money's good.
Money good, baby.
Alright.
My God.
Oh, I got a sapphire. Let's go.
Alright. I got my grenades ready.
Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? They're like flying shit. Oh, fuck me.
Yeah. That's why I
Yeah.
bought the 5 grenades.
Fuck me. Damn. I mean, they didn't seem to be super strong though. Oh, you taking them? Yeah, you take them. Oh, he will go. I woke him up. Careful, behind you, behind you.
Sorry. But he was sleeping. What are you doing?
Yeah, but I fucking woke him up. Bro. Oh, fuck.
Looks so dumb, doesn't it? Like looking downwards. And
Yeah, no, it's weird. Yeah, no, it looks awkward. Like it doesn't feel right. Like the whole body fucking.
Killed a rat.
Yo, I get 1, 2, bro. Come on, bro. What are we doing?
Fucking Ratatouille.
Nah, bro, they've done nothing wrong, dude. Come on, what are you doing? They've done nothing wrong, man.
Yeah, they did. They committed various war crimes.
No.
Alright. Next lot of ammo, pistol ammo is yours. Whatever. We should be in this area because it's a little bit like a fight here. Just like,
Yeah, I'm full. I'm full. I can carry
Right,
that.
no.
I'm full.
hang on. What you can do? Hang on here. Give me hang on.
Give me an herb.
Do I give? I mix them up. Cool gamer.
Yeah. Hang on. Come back over here. Come back to me.
Where, we have to go on a boat, I guess.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Oh yeah, okay, yep. Oh shit, and that.
Shotgun ammo here if you've got any room for it. Ignore these guys. Like ignore these guys. You can't hit them now. It's kind of like.
Oh, we have to like yeah, okay.
Alright. I found a red herb. I should look out for a green herb now.
Oh, is this a treasure? There's a treasure.
Do you have a Hey, you got a grenade? Oh, yeah, you got a grenade on you. Okay, come back over here. Like, just get back a little bit so it's a little bit safe. And then lob a grenade at the at like the little marketplace thing in the middle. Like you got like 2 grenades on you. You should be able to just do it with 1 grenade.
Where do I see my grenade? Oh, there.
Throw it like the market stalls.
Oh. Oh.
Right, that should be right. Yep, there's pistol ammo here. You can grab as well. We knocked it off.
Oh, that's really cool.
Nice.
Make some money, baby.
I think it's worth about like 2,000 bucks or something. Not sure. Yeah, you carried literally hunched over, like attacking it with a knife. Looks so weird, eh? You read that pistol ammo as well? So
Yeah, I keep fucking pressing the wrong fucking button though. God damn it, this fucking. Oh, dark bullshit. Oh, I think we're done here, right?
Hang on.
Oh, it's a human there. Hand
Yeah.
came from the ceiling. Oh, yeah,
I shot the key off him.
Ah, you have the key, gotcha. Oh no, they're nowhere here. God damn it, these guys. I love how it's like always like the same model. Yeah, like I feel like I already know all the models of the game.
Yeah, there's Billy and Jimmy and Timmy. Bad dude behind us.
think that's bad too.
Behind you? Oh, you somehow stunned him from behind. Weird.
Dang. So wait, so I basically I use the knife, you use the boot?
Yeah, I just stopped like down forward. Please don't attack me when I jump outside.
Not so many enemies, yeah.
Okay. Like, the music was playing, so I thought like something was still outside. Right, there might be some ammo stuff lying around still somewhere.
Probably.
Oh yeah, there's guys over the boat we have to go through. Oh shit, trying to throw arrows at us. Bruh.
Wow, the guy died with one fucking shot again, very fucking lofty.
Did he emoji scope you, did he? There was a treasure somewhere around here. I think you have to go through the gate and the treasure throws up.
How do I get down? Holy fuck, how the fuck do I get down? Fuck?
It's go to the edge and press X. Oh no, whatever the button is, sorry, whatever the keyboard button is.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I think I was running, so it wouldn't let me.
Go right to the edge and then... Yes. Oh, it's a guy first, guy, stay here. He just got pistol ammo. Yeah, he like trying
Are we good to go now? Are we good to go or what?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool gamer.
Alright, there was
On a fucking on a boat.
It was there. It was.
I mean, we still got the music, so I mean, there must be still one enemy around or something.
Yeah, further in.
That's okay. Whatever. That fucking towboat.
Just ammo yours.
Okay, cool. Is that it? Oh shit. Now we have to do the boat. Why did you wait? What? Wait, what? Why did
I don't know, because the game listed that for some reason.
you going to do what? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, they're here again.
Nice, I found a great herb. I'm gonna combine it with the other one I got.
Oh, sure, yeah.
You two okay?
Alright.
HQ sent me in to provide air
This
support.
is the part of the game we have to learn how to use cover
So
properly.
watch out.
Roger. Thanks, Kirk.
I didn't think HQ actually cared.
Oh, they actually give a shit about us.
You can use cover, by the way. See?
Come on.
Already? Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah.
Fucking mosquito over there. Goddamn mosquito over there, man.
Pistol ammo in here.
Get fucked, mosquito.
There's pistol ammo in here. And extra hand grenade as well.
Wait, did you pick it up?
No, I didn't grab the pistol ammo. It's just
No, the grenade, I meant. The grenade.
and, stuff like you already had a stack of them. One of them at least.
Yeah. Oh, is there herbs?
And there's
Herbs?
more over here.
There's some herbs up here, dude. There's some
Yep.
herbs. At the top where I was.
There's pistol ammo on the other side of the little, like, blockade.
Oh, there's also,
you go
yeah.
past it, you go past it.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
blockade, at the blockade.
Oh, yeah, there you go. They got a fucking little shit ton of ammo. Where'd she come from? Holy fuck. I love how like they get a fucking RPG, but like we don't actually get a no. We're not hit by it. Like somehow we just like avoid the fucking damage. beat, right? Cool gamer. Yeah, pick that up if you want to. Yeah, I got.
Don't go check them just yet.
Don't have any.
There's still stuff around here we can grab.
Space, yeah.
Come on.
Oops, accident.
Oh, rifle ammo, dude. Rifle ammo.
Well, that's why I grabbed that for my character for now.
I don't
I
have
think
any.
because I've got the weapon unlocked, I think that's why it's spawning a rifle ammo.
Oh, really? Because you have it unlocked. Oh, okay. So when do you actually get it?
Yeah, maybe. But here we go, sniper rifle here.
But I got no space though. I got no space for nothing, dude. What the fuck? How am I supposed to get it?
Hang on, hold up.
How am I supposed
There is
to?
no-
Tega's
hold up.
shoulders must be very still carried me in Stranger Paradise and Tsuna and not carrying you in. Now these guys ass, bro. This guy's big noob, bro. This guy's big noob.
Give me a grenade.
I'm the one doing all the job, bro. Like, if you see all of the at the end
So
of
in this
each.
game, you only want to have 3 weapons at once. You don't have 4 weapons. So it's not too much further. And then when you get to the next, like thing to organize inventory, only take 3 guns.
Like if you look at the end of the
Now you got
of the game results, I'm always the one with the most the best accuracy and the most kills, baby.
Yeah, door kick man kicks every door down.
Gamer. Wait, where'd you go?
Back here, I'm baiting the enemy spawns.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're separated.
I know. I was baiting the enemy spawns. There's machine gun ammo here. You can jump through the house, by the way. Like some windows.
What the fuck? I call bullshit. Ah, come on, bro. What are you saying? What are you saying? How's your day, man? Have a good day
Well,
today.
so RE6's item inventory management is a bit different. So guns don't take up space. Your space is mainly taken up by healing, ammo, and throwables.
Yeah, get on mine.
No, I'm saying 6 is better because 6 doesn't have guns. Like guns take
Oh,
up, don't
shit,
take up
what
space.
Madison HQ. I'm under attack by flying BOWs. I'm losing engine power. Oh shit! I'm out of control. I'm going down. Mayday! Kirk, what's going on?
He dead.
Come in, Kirk.
Oh, they're like right behind us. Is it?
I know.
How many flying oh my god, dude. Oh damn. Oh, wait, no, yeah, I saw I did, but I still want to do my workout. I still want to do a bit of workout.
Man, don't these guys know about social distance?
Oh, there's machine ammo here.
I just found a little bit over here. Actually, I think I might need a little bit. Yeah, no.
Yeah, well,
how much do you have?
there's machine ammo up here, and there's also the
yeah.
health thing.
I'm not using the SMG, but I'm gonna grab shotgun ammo because I need some. I don't know if I can get up there or not. You'd have to give it and grab it to me. You'd have to grab it and give it to me. Unless you full again.
10 reps for every missed shot. Come on, bro. Bro, I never miss shots, bro. Bro, I never miss shot, baby. I never miss shot, dude. Oh, there's more rifle ammo here and machine gun ammo.
Come on.
Oops.
What am I supposed to do? I'm not sure.
What? You can't get shotgun ammo?
I mean, no, there's only machine gun ammo and rifle ammo, that's it.
Alright, never mind.
And, oh, I agree. Oh, shit. Damn. So in this game, are there like better weapons like in an R4? How R4, how like you know you got the pistols, but then you actually get
Yeah. So there's like typically at least like 2 or 3 of each type. Like you can't find different ones. Each gun type has at least 2.
I am
I
a
think
gentle
I think
soul.
we must have 3.
I don't doors.
You haven't got room for that, have you?
No, nothing wrong with that. So annoying.
Alright. Hang on. Yeah, okay, give me a shotgun ammo for a sec.
Let me get this guy here first. Yep. Let me get
Yeah, give it again. Alright, now grab the red herb. Now you can combine them.
Good gamer.
There you go.
That's bullshit.
Shotgun ammo,
What do you mean? I
shotgun
didn't
ammo,
miss a
shotgun ammo,
single,
shotgun
bro.
ammo,
That's
there.
what I mean, bro.
Oops.
Or you have to get your eyes check.
Yeah, inventory is a little bit
What are you
whack
saying,
and
bro? What
file. I
are you
reckon
saying?
like it better in 6. 6, like I said, guns don't take up space in 6.
Nah, but yeah. Well, you said missed shots though. Aha, see?
You see why I need those in a
See,
sec.
are you following your own criteria here or no? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Did you go upstairs already?
Pistol ammo, you grab that, it's yours. There's 2 lots of pistol ammo actually. Because it's fair green heavy if I can't take it, that's annoying.
Cool.
I literally have 3 healing items on me. You have 2, so I think we're good for healing items, eh?
Pickle jam. Nyum. Oh, cool.
Alright,
Yes.
you have to go down and unlock the door for me.
Yes,
Prep.
you said miss shots. You said 10 reps for every
Like,
miss
help, please,
shot.
Oni-chan, let me in.
Shot. A shot is with a gun, not a knife. So. Okay. So where do I go here? Where do I go? Just jump down, I guess?
You should gotta go down. Make sure you gotta go down. I'm gonna have to come back up and give you a hand. I'll come down stairs instead of stairs because you were lower than me. Alright. Oh, what a throw. Well, there's one more coming upstairs in a sec, I think. I heard I saw one more downstairs somewhere.
Right. I think my homie Cassidy is shaking his eyes. I never miss. I guess I never miss. Huh?
Right. I hear more enemies spawning somewhere.
Are you in or what? Are you?
No, you have to come down the street level and open the thing for me. No, you just melee it, remember? You have to shoot it.
I don't know.
There we go.
Sure,
Look
there we
around for the list of supplies when we get approaches for you or anything. And don't use the barrels yet, try to save them. You see why.
I saw enemies still coming from there. I mean, I'll be doing the reps anyways when I do my workout tonight. You don't have to worry about that, my friend. You don't have to worry about that, my friend. What about you, though? What about you? Are you gonna be working your body? Or are you gonna have an excuse to be like, I'm too tired to work?
Oh, how tanky was that one guy? Alright. Let's get some money.
Just some money. I think I know this spot is like the chainsaw. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, chainsaw. Yeah, I know. Actually, I remember this part of the game. The chainsaw man. I can use the what's it called, the
Barrels.
snap rifle. Or?
Yeah, but use the barrels as well first. Like, look to the barrels. Alright, get back, another barrel here.
Oh shit!
Oh, what the hell? I swear you ran away from it, like you were like far away. Weird. Right, he's on me. I'm gonna put another onto a barrel. Another onto a barrel again if I can. Okay.
Oh, you died!
Unless he just did that.
Bruh, moment.
Right. Well, you can use it to organize your stuff if you want for a second.
Well, I'll leave it there. I'll see you soon. So,